Jack, you're gonna take your money and go buy your own all by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, now if you need any problems, you just wave to me and I'll come in, okay?
Okay.
But you can do it, right?
Yeah.
You nervous?
No.
Okay. Okay, you got your money?
Yeah.
Get a small Slurpee and you just give them the $2 and they'll give you change and you come, okay?
Yes, Dad.
Okay.
He's gonna not need any help at all.
Well, I'm gonna try to spy a little bit. Hey, did you do it?
Yeah.
You did it?
Yes.
You paid with
Nice
your
job.
own money?
Yes.
Did you get change?
Yes.
Where'd you put it?
My pocket.
Your pocket?
Yes.
That was brave, bud. You feel good?
Yeah.
Were you nervous?
Mm.
Nope. Get your own Slurpees now, right?
Yes.
How's it taste?
Subscribe. Mom, this what? What? It's made myself. You did it all by yourself? Yeah. The whole thing? Yeah. You went in, you filled it up, and you paid for it all by yourself? How about it, yeah.